Okay, coffee vending machine, coin and paper money, and optional with a box for create QR code system. Now we use a coin, insert the money. This is the one, already 15, 16. And this is the paper money. Okay, 21. And the 3 canisters and the pink coffee, the blue cups. And also put a water pump inside. Okay, and we can select the cash, and the proper pay is for the QR code system. Okay, and then we can scan the QR system and to pay. We insert your bank information and to pay the money. And now is successful and pay the money already. The cups automatically done. And the coffee is making. This is the QR system, optional the system. And this is the QR system, the cash and the QR code. The coffee, espresso. Please pick up the cups. Okay, the cups, espresso coffee. It's very good.